This fall, prepare for an extraordinary event unlike any the world has ever seen.
Oh, it's going to be much, much bigger than that.
The only people who don't want to disclose the truth are people with something to hide.
Well, good morning, YouTube. Thought I'd give y'all a heads up here. This particular video that I did on Google Earth about the UFO, you can see it in here. It's not blown up, but this is the old video. Main reason why I'm doing it is to show you what Google Earth has done. Okay, we're here on Google Earth again. I'm going to show y'all something. See how unclear it is? You can't really see the clearness of the pictures or nothing. When you come down here to the bubbles, there's only 2 now. There was 3. We'll go back and forth and I'll show you on the other one as well. Go to this one. So let me in it. That's something else. It's hard to get in now. It wants to take you to a picture. What the? Well, sorry guys. Trying. They're not letting me in. Alright, here we go. There we go. Okay. I'll let me in. Okay. Okay, as you can see, there's nothing in this one. Go on this one. I think that's the same one. It is. Should be this one. Oh man. Gee whiz. Okay, they did leave this one. Why, I don't know. But as you can see, the lady here in the picture, you see over her shoulder, there's a spot. But it's not real clear, and it's a long way away. And I mean, when I say a long way, it's a long way. I'll show you the ground so you can see just how far. But trust me, that's a long way. But anyway, showing you they left that one. I showed you those 2. There used to be another one right here in the center. Let's check out these pictures and see what's there. Good hope. There we go. That's the only thing they're giving you here. Let's see. No, they're giving you this. Oh, they took. Look at here. Here's the pictures, guys. Here's the picture where that thing was. They took it out. Ain't that cool? or it was taken at a different time. Could have been the year previous. You know how Google goes around once a year and takes new pictures, or once every 3 or 4 years. It could have been the time before. I'm not sure. There's one other spot. If we can get in it, let's see if we can get in it. Uh-oh. There we go. Okay. Before your eyes, here we go. You ready? See a little bitty spot right there. You see how far away it is? There you go. Back it out. And oh, there they are. There's one there and one there, but they're real far away. They don't come in real clear, but you can see it there and there. And then to move away from there, I'll show you. Right here is an airplane. Looks like a maybe a fighter jet of some sort, or someone's, I don't know whose. And looks like military ships, 2 of them. But they also a long way away. Okay guys, that was just me showing y'all how the truth can get out, and then they turn around and take it away and try to make things appear not to appear the way they appear. Why? I don't know. But you can also look here at Google Earth as I'm backing out. It don't look as clear as it normally does. See, it looks, when you zoom in on it, it looks a whole lot better than this. Generally, we can go back to here. See if I can get out here somewhere. There you go. Well, no, that ain't it either. I'm trying to find it here. Hold on. There you go. See how clear Google Earth looks right in there? It didn't look like that when I was doing it a minute ago, when I did this. See how it don't look normal? And I want to show you something else. This is the South Pole here, and you used to be able to go to all the sites here, and now you can't go there. And the black hole in the Earth, the hole in the South Pole, is not there. They got it covered up with whatever that may be. Let's turn it around to the north where it's supposed to be. I don't know. It looks like a big Q of some sort. But anyway, folks, that's all I got. Heads up. Just letting you know that once we get the truth, then they twist it and destroy what we see. They don't like it, so then they change it, or whatever you might want to call it. I don't know what to call it, but It's weird. Heads up, folks. God bless. Much love.
The only people who don't want to disclose the truth are people with something to hide.